friends, we draw the cat. We see the word cat. Say with me, cat, cat. The word cat, we hear the first sound of the word cat, k, k, cat, k, k, cat. Say with me, k, k, cat. But the sound we hear cat, k, 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 the sound k, it's related to the letter C. Let's here draw together the letter C. Bring your pencil. Okay, it's so easy. Put your pencil on your paper. You put? Ready? Make half a circle. Stop. From the place that we start, go up a little bit. Then, from this place, when we get, make half a circle. Turn, 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 turn. Yeah, stop. Let's close it with another line. Okay, as usual, we use the marker, the black marker, to draw it again. So it's appear so beautiful. And at the same time, when we color it, we know where is the correct place to color inside. We don't go outside of the black line. Ready to start? Put your marker in the point that we start. Walk on the line with me. Yeah, have a circle and turn. Stop. Now, from the point that we begin together, go up and then look, we are going to walk on this line. Put your marker, walk with me on the line, making half a circle. Yeah, go, 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 stop. Now let us close. Now we have the letter C. We have the letter C. Okay. Which color you want to color the letter C? I have these colors. They are all beautiful. Okay? Ta 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 ta. Look at me. Orange, blue, green, yellow, orange again, and this red and this kind of yellow, but it's phosphoric a little bit. And which color? Don't say it. You want the blue, like the color of my gloves. Okay, let's start. We can color it together. I love all of you. Okay, we start. Open your crayon. Choose the color that you like. You don't have to use the same color I used, okay? And let's start. From the place we start, look at me. We keep from one side to the other side. We don't make that because when we make that, it will not be beautiful coloring, okay? But from one side to another side in a proper way, it will be so beautiful. You don't have to be hurried. Take your time. And if you feel tired, stop. Take a rest, have a snack, and then come again to continue with me. I will be waiting for you, don't worry. But pay attention, please. Don't take the colors outside. We put the black line to know that we color inside the black line, okay? La 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 la. So beautiful. I'm proud of all of you. You are all so good. Yeah. And as usual, when you draw the letter C, when you color it, you can take a photo, and I will be so happy if you send the photo of the letter C, the picture of the letter C to me, to my page, and I will choose the most beautiful to put it with the name of the child who drew it. I'm proud of all of you. Okay? Oh, finish. Super. finished? I'm waiting for you. Have you finished? Yeah, perfect. Love all of you. And now bring a paper. I will choose this paper. This is purple. Okay, bring the paper that you want with no lines, with nothing. It's empty paper. And come, we are going to write together the letter C. What you need? A paper, pencil, eraser, and sharpener. I'm waiting for you.